Good morning, everybody. I took a shower, so I can't straighten my hair yet. It's all wet. But Cathy's in the shower now. We're gonna run to Subway again and upload the vlog. It's only a 4-minute one, real quick, because I'm not sure, like I said before, I'm not sure if it's sucking a lot of data, because the hotspot has 15 gigs of high speed on it, and then they slow it down. And when I look at the information on the hotspot, it says 11 gigs has been used already. I don't like that. And we watched the second episode of Stranger Things on Netflix last night, and then I checked it, and it looked like it used like a spec. So I don't think it was Netflix. I think it was me trying to upload for about 3 hours. So I'm not gonna do that. But we'll get it all figured out. I wanted to show you guys my weight loss rocks, because this is the weight I need to lose. It says to lose, you can't really see it. And this is the lost jar. And of course, when I started, this jar was empty. Now it has 23 stones in it. It means I lost 23 pounds so far. And when this jar is empty and this jar is full, then I'm all done, and that'll be good. I'll be at my goal weight. But I don't like that I can't ride the bike right now, because it's broken. I'm hoping this week the new part comes. The woman from the stamina company said 4 to 6 days. So, should be really soon, and then Don will fix it. Because we can't walk right now because the roads are skating rinks. Because it keeps thawing, freezing, and there's just ice, ice, ice everywhere. And I fell on my ass the other day outside the car the day that we got the taxes, and we were on our way to Sheboygan to buy the Fitbit and get the iPhone 10 and all that, and that kind of hurt. So we don't need to be falling. Good morning, Don.
Good night.
Oh. What are you going to do today?
Pick my nose.
You should brush your hair.
It ain't gonna do no good. I already tried.
You gonna cut it then?
Cut it. Where's the knife?
Or are you gonna let it grow real long? Let it grow to your ass.
Nah, I'll let it grow about where it dragged about 10 miles behind me.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna go to Subway with us?
No. I'm waiting for Cathy to hurry up and get out of the shower so I can take the serious shit.
Okay. Remember what I said about swearing in the videos? Don't do it. Now I have to bleep you. Don't you dare. Then I'll have to bleep you again.
I told you, good practice for you.
But we're hoping that someday we get the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers and can become monetized. But we can't become monetized if the videos are full of swear words. And today we're at Subway uploading, and we got sandwiches, teriyaki this time. She got some chips. And then this is doing pretty good because it's only 4 minutes. It is ridiculously windy out today. Can you tell? But we're leaving Subway and we're going to get some gas, and then we're going to go home. And try not to get, I'll try not to get blown away when I'm getting gas. So we're, holy crap, that wind. But we're just sitting here playing Pokemon Go.
Yup. Trying to wait for this to go so I can get more balls.
Yeah. And look at that stop sign over there.
Wiggling.
Yeah, it's really windy.
It's supposed to last till 4, so it's supposed to be done in 15 minutes.
Yeah, I kind of doubt it.
Yeah.
But there's a weather advisory. And the car is, we're parked and the car is just rocking back and forth. It's crazy. Don's working on dinner. Potatoes and carrots and this meat, right?
Yeah.
I should probably not just grab this without a pot holder, right?
Not unless you want to drop it.
What is this, beef or pork?
Beef.
Beef. And Cathy's on her laptop. And we're watching Shallow Hal. What?
Yep.
Yep.
Typing.
Dream with or whatever.
Yeah.
Ah.
Complaining about my life.
That's basically what the live journal Dream with journals are for.
Yep.
Here's dinner. Beef and potatoes and carrots. So that'll be really good. So dinner was really good, and we're going to watch the 3rd episode of Stranger Things 2.
I should also watch Big Mouth.
Yeah, we can do that after. And I wanted to watch American Horror Story Roanoke, and there's just all kinds of things that we need to catch up on. But we're going to say goodnight, and we hope you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. And we hope that you like that we've been able to post more lately. Hopefully we can keep it up. Your turn, Don.
What?
Say goodnight.
Mean good morning?
Yeah.
Used to be a pain in the rear end.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh yeah, show him your cup. It says, oh poop. Oh poop. So, good night.